What is FUE hair transplant? The full form of FUE is follicular unit extraction. This is the latest technique for hair transplant in which we are taking out the individual grafts, individual follicles from the back of the scalp, and we are implanting it into the balding area or the recipient area, we can call it as. This is the latest technique. And why this is the latest technique? Because earlier we used to go for FUT technique in which we used to take a strip of the skin. After that it was sutured, and because of that sometimes people used to have scars. They were having problem in combing, pain, bleeding issues were there. But in FUE there are no such issues, no side effects, no problem at all. It's so hassle free that you can join your office or your work from third day of your hair transplant. This is that hassle free. This is a painless procedure. In this there is no pain or almost minimal or negligible pain. No scars are being developed in this. Because in this we are taking individual grafts from the back of the scalp, and the punch size used is 0.6 millimeter to 0.7 millimeter, in which scars are almost negligible to the naked eye. So that's why the advantage of this technique is there are no visible scarring. And once the growth is there, after 7 to 10 days, the hair transplant goes unnoticeable. Nobody can notice that your hair transplant has been done if it's done in good hands by a good surgeon at a good clinic.